Hello, I am Marc with UConn Extension 4-H. I would like to welcome you today to our 4-H summer series, Find Your Voice. Over the next 5 lessons, we're going to explore ourselves and how we work with others. I want to welcome you to our activities, and today we're going to look at telling our story. How do you tell your story to others? How do you share what makes you special? We have an activity today, and so if you find activity number 1, your personal puzzle, today we're going to make our own personal puzzle in which we tell our story. In your kit, you will find your own personal puzzle sheet. On this, you will get to make a puzzle that will tell the story of you. You will also need some markers, crayons, or colored pencils, all of your own choice, to do this activity. On your puzzle, we want you to tell us what makes you special. How is it that you can tell us your story and tell us a little bit something about you? I want to share what my friend Sophia did with her puzzle. My friend Sophia is very into music, and so she made her puzzle with musical notes of many different colors. And that's how she tells her story. She tells us about her love of music. What will you do on your puzzle to tell your family, your friends, about your story and how special you are right now? Also in your kit, you will see our career connection card. This week's career connection is video game designer. Each week, or each lesson, we will look at a different career in the area of finding our voice. Enjoy your activity. I look forward to seeing you in future events.